We have a lot of different classes and courses that students can take, from painting to digital photography, sculpting, 3D design, so a lot of different types of courses. If an art student comes into the college, they have the opportunity to explore a lot of different fields, and that makes it a great way to go forward for them.
I know the drill, I know the skills, but what am I going to do with this? How am I going to make money? And in art history courses, and specifically in my courses, we talk a lot about art production and how a young generation of artists can survive this whole world chaos that we are in right now.
It was just such an interesting thing to listen to the history of museums and to actually go to museums, and you're not just focusing on the art or on the paintings that are being exhibited, but also how the museum is exhibiting itself.
My name is Csilla Kőszegi, and I teach here graphic design, 2D design, illustration, sometimes color theory and collage art. We have a really good cooperation with different galleries and publishers, so the students can go make an internship with different publishers where they can practice their future job, and they can try out what they will do in the future.
Majors from business or communication or psychology or political science can come in and learn that having literacy in visuality and understand the politics of visuality is what they really need, and probably more people need that these days.
Budapest is a great place for students to study art. I think just because it's a historic city, so you just go out. We sometimes take our students to what's called urban sketching, so we just go out and sketch beautiful sites, beautiful pieces or parts of buildings, for example. When our students graduate in art, we encourage them to organize their final exhibitions outside in an off-campus venue. So it's usually in a cafe or an exhibition space.
I hope to work in a museum someday. I think that'd be really awesome.